Today I'm making chocolate chip cookies. So let's go through the ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of vegetable shortening, 2 eggs, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a half a cup of white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of Hershey's chocolate chips. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, first thing that we want to do is we want to cream our shortening with our 2 sugars. So we'll get that going. So I'm going to pop in that sugar first, the white sugar, and I'll get this going. Alright, now I'm going to throw in the brown sugar. There we go. I'm just going to break this up a little bit. There we go. So I'll start creaming this. And at this point right now I'm going to put in one of my eggs. We'll get that in there. That'll help get the brown sugar incorporated. I'll get my second egg in now. Sorry for the noise. I'll pop that in.
So unfortunately, at this point, my video camera had stopped recording and I didn't realize that, and I continued on with the recipe. So right now I'm just going to fill you in on the last part of the mixing. As soon as I finish adding that second egg and mixing it in, then I slowly added the flour, then I added the vanilla extract, the baking soda, the salt, and the chocolate chips. Give it a fast mix, and now we are ready to continue with the video.
Alright, I'm back, and what we need is to preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and we're going to be baking our cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. So I've got myself a little cookie scoop, and I'm just going to grab some dough, and we'll pop it on there. And hopefully it'll come out nice and easily. A little trick, if you have problems popping this out, you can put your dough in the fridge for a while, and what will happen is it'll firm up and it'll be easier to scoop out. So this recipe makes about 4 dozen cookies depending on how large you make them. So I'm going to pop these in the oven, 375 degrees, for about 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll be back with the finished product. Alrighty, well I just decided to put all the cookies out and show you the difference in them. These were the ones that I did for 12 minutes, these were 11 minutes, and both of these were at 10 minutes. And that is all of the cookies that the batch made, so you can see how many cookies there are. There are a lot of cookies. So that recipe makes quite a few. Anyway, these here are much more crisp than the ones at the 10-minute mark. So if you want really gooey ones, you'll go 10. These are also gooey, these are 10, and these are 11 minutes, so they're in between. So if you want really crispy, go with the 12. These are the 10, and they're really gooey. You know, some of them are, you know, you can see they're a little bit more flexible, and anyway, some kids like them like that, some kids like them a little bit more crisp. But there you go. So that's it for this video, so I'll see you next time.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.